I got another error on Premiere Pro, and in this video I want to show you what I have to do to be able to fix this problem. As you can see, when I try to render and export this project, I get this error, says render error, error compiling movie, render return, but you have to pay attention to the time. It says around time code. This time 5:39 21 milliseconds to 5:39 33 milliseconds. So if I go now to that timeline, 5:39, you can see here I'm here 5:40. So if I press a couple of frames back, you can see here I have applied a transition. First, I want to make this area big by expanding this like this, and then there's a flip transition. I want to select this, and I will select delete by pressing delete on your keyboard and trying to run this. And if I put it another transition again, see whether now it will work. Run this. Okay, so now let's go to file, export media, and give it a new name or number. Click save, export. Hopefully now this will solve the problem. So looks like this also didn't solve the problem, so we click OK, we close this, and this time I will just remove this by selecting and deleting it. And there is a function which you can see, it's yellow. We can move it away to the right and then bring it back up, and let's try to export it again. Select the file, let's call this time 3, save, export. So you saw that by removing that effect, now the export worked. If I bring that video, if you remember, it was number 3, and I click on it and it works, plays where we want it. There are other fixes that you can try. If this didn't work, I'm gonna just quickly talk through them. Another thing you could do is to go to the sequence, then go to the sequence settings, and then change your sequence editing mode from whatever you got to any other one, then click on OK. That's one other thing you can do. Obviously, the first thing you always should do is to close your Premiere Pro and then open it again. If that didn't work, then you need to again close your Premiere Pro, restart your computer, and rerun the project. That's another thing you can do. And another very quick one I want to go through is when you go to the export, when you go media, if you use Q, also can help you to fix this problem. Unfortunately, I don't have the encoder. Media encoder is not installed, so if you have it, you can use that as another method to export it using the media encoder. And please write in the comments below which one of these methods helped you, your case, because each case is different. Also, please make a note of the error number. You see, every error has a code, and search for that error code and you should get a more specific solution to your problem. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.